Hey DanishTuber, and welcome back to DanishTube and this video on SIKKE versus SÅDAN. DanishTube. If you like DanishTube, you enjoy what I do here on the channel or on the podcast, you can donate any amount that you think is equal to the information, to the fun Danish stuff that you receive by following links in the description. Otherwise, let's do this. SIKKE and SÅDAN. These are both used as interjections, right, at the start of a sentence when you give an exclamation or you want to express a feeling or a thought. Let's start with SIKKE. SIKKE is usually used to express some kind of surprise, admiration, or wonder. The classic example is like, what a lovely day. SIKKE en dejlig dag. SIKKE en dejlig dag. But it can also be used to express disappointment, such as, maybe it's not a good day. Oh, what weather. SIKKE et vejr. SIKKE et vejr. Maybe you want to say, what an idiot. SIKKE en idiot. SIKKE ærgerligt, at du ikke kunne være med. How shameful, or what a shame, how shameful. What a shame that you couldn't come, that you couldn't be involved. SÅDAN, on the other hand, is usually used to express, or rather to assess something or to describe something. For example, I've gotten a new car and I'm like, this is how my car looks. Sådan ser min nye bil ud. Sådan ser min nye bil ud. Like, such is the way that my car looks. This is how my car looks. There are so many expressions that are like, when something is the way it is. Sådan livet. Such is life. That's just the way it is. Sådan det bare. Sådan det bare. Could also be about a person, the way that person is. Sådan han. Sådan han. That's how he is. Sådan is also used to give instructions on how to do something. So not usually at the start of a sentence this time, but within a sentence like, du skal gøre det sådan her for at undgå fejl. I don't know. A simple example could just simply be like, du skal gøre det sådan her. You need to do it this way. Such is the way to do it. This is how to do it. Sådan skal du gøre det. You could also say. You can also combine the two. So then you have this thing of expressing surprise, wonder, while also assessing and describing the way that something is. Let's just keep it to the weather, something that everybody knows well, right? Bad weather, maybe I say like, SIKKE et vejr, what weather. Jeg havde ikke forestillet mig, at himlen ville se sådan ud i dag. Right? What weather, I didn't imagine that the sky would look like this today, so I'm assessing the way that the sky looks. SIKKE et vejr. Jeg havde ikke forestillet mig, at himlen ville se sådan ud i dag. Maybe a slightly shorter, simpler example would be, SIKKE et vejr. Jeg tænkte ikke, det ville være sådan i dag. What weather, I didn't think it would be like this, such, today. So that was SIKKE versus SÅDAN. Are you surprised, almost in admiration of something? SIKKE et hus, what a house you live in. Or are you assessing the way that something is? SÅDAN mit hus. This is how my house is. So thanks for watching. You know what you need to do. Like, subscribe. And again, if you want to support my work, if you want to help me to develop this channel, do so by donating any amount you feel is equal to the information you received by following links in the description. Ellers, vi ses i den næste. Hej hej. DanishTube.